Welcome, today we're going to show you how to fix Battlefield 6 crashes. The first thing that you need to actually do is to open EA Play app, and if you haven't installed Battlefield 6, you will find it from here. So after that, you need to hit on Manage RC from here, and from the Manage menu, click on View Properties. After that, this menu will appear. You need to click on Open Folder. So this will open the file location for Battlefield 6. From here, you need to actually right click on Battlefield 6 exe file RC from here. And now you need to click on Show More Options. Then click on Properties RC from here. You need to go to Compatibility tab RC from here. And you need to click on Run this program in compatibility mode and select Windows 8. After that, check the box for Disable Full Screen Optimization and check the box for Run this program as an administrator. Hit Apply and OK. So the next thing that you need to do is to right click on your Windows desktop as seen from here, click on Show More Options, and then go to NVIDIA Control Panel. So you can do this if your graphic card is actually NVIDIA. So if it's not, you can go to your graphic cards app. After that, go to Program Settings as seen from here. And now you can actually choose the app from here. So you can just scroll down till you find Battlefield 6, or you can click on Add if you didn't find it, and find it from here, or you can actually browse for the app on the desktop or anywhere. So you need to find the exe of the app. After that, you need to select it from here. So after you have selected Battlefield 6 from here, you need to click on here and make sure that you have chosen your NVIDIA processor or your graphic card processor on your PC. So that's actually how to do that. After that, you will find an apply button from here. You need to click on it, and that's it. Hopefully your problem is now solved. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.